Minista wa uthathauri wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa na murunawe wa maai Simon Chelugui makinyiriirie gutire mbeca ifatie kurihwo ni county ya Nairobi iguru ria maai.
Through COG we'll be able to communicate if there are issues between counties on water. They will work closely with my brother CS Chelugui, the Minister for Water, and work through this team that we have set up to resolve issues without having escalated wars between counties.
We would, as Ministry of Water, intensify our activities in Murang'a so that as we transfer water from Ndakaini and River Chania, we will equally consider the upstream, the people of Murang'a and even beyond.
Chelugui na Wamalwa makwaragia mari wabici-ini cia kanjo ya magavana Nairobi.
We have all agreed that it's not appropriate for a private company called Mwasco to continue managing water services in Murang'a County. Therefore, we have all agreed that the water services in Murang'a be managed by a public company owned by the county government of Murang'a.
Ona thutha wa nginya president kuria atongoria manine ndugamano ciao nderetine ya maai, gavana wa Murangá Mwangi wa iria umuthi augire ni agutongorire ndikithia rugaruri wa watho wa uramati wa utonga wa kimerera, akiuga ikinya riri ni rigutithiriria kunina ndugamano iria ingiyumiria.
Mtu asijaribu kuingiza serikali kuu ili mkinge. Pesa yote inaenda kwa county ya Nairobi.
Wa iria akwaragia gikaro-ini gia kungania mawoni ma muingi iguru ria uramati wa maai ma Murang'a.
Murang'a ithe tutiretia kindu kinene, turetia kiria turaigua andu mona kwina kindu kwao kiria maraheo, turetia 25% ya utonga wa maai ya Murang'a.
Ukurie tandite ndereba wa bunda gutodegera segeni nidagira andu maai kuu na mutungi na ngamarehia o mutungi ciringi 40 na maai liria ona njiguire ati maai ni mekuoneka mekenire muno.
Ndugamano iria ironekanaga ta ya Murang'a riu ni itheremete na ikaingirwo ni abitha anene thirikari-ini. Gavana wa iria akinyiriria no aguthii na mbere na kuhuranira maai ma Murang'a. Uyu ni gatagati-ini ka micemanio iria ikoretwo igitabanio guku Murang'a gukuhurania muingi iguru rigie ndereti hiyo ya maai ma guku Murang'a. Atongoria na muingi wa guku makiuga no nginya gimakundike na kihoto kia maai maya. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma guku muhuro wa kaunti ya Murang'a. Rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Julius Kareithi wa Munene.